Hey my loves, it's officially that time of year again. You know, when you want to look cute but also feel like you're wrapped in a warm hug. We're talking cozy sweaters, stylish boots, and all the accessories you need to slay those winter looks, whether you're on a budget or feeling a little spendy. So grab your favorite blanket, make yourself a warm drink, and get ready for some serious winter fashion inspiration. Alright, let's start with the basics. Layering. Think simple, neutral pieces like turtlenecks, long-sleeve tees, and even thermal tops. These are your best friends. You can find them pretty much anywhere, and they're super versatile. Pair them with some thick leggings or fleece-lined tights, and you've got yourself a warm and comfy base for any outfit. Don't sleep on thrifting or checking out your fave fast fashion brands for affordable sweaters either. A chunky knit sweater is like the ultimate winter staple, and you can find some real gems without hurting your wallet. Now that we've got a solid base, let's talk about those investment pieces that are worth splurging on. A high-quality coat is a game-changer. Something like a classic wool coat or a puffer jacket will last you for years and instantly elevate any outfit. Another splurge-worthy item, a great pair of boots. Leather boots never go out of style and can make even the simplest outfit look chic. Just one or two key pieces can transform your entire wardrobe.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Accessories are where you can really have fun and add your own personal touch, no matter your budget. Chunky knit scarves, beanies, and gloves are winter must-haves, and you can find super cute and affordable options pretty much everywhere. Want to elevate your look? Try a statement earmuff or a faux fur stole. Even something as simple as choosing a different pair of gloves can change the vibe. You guys know I love a good thrift flip. Hitting up your local thrift store is like a treasure hunt for unique winter pieces. You can find amazing vintage sweaters, cozy flannels, and even old coats that you can revamp. One of my favorite DIYs is turning an oversized sweater into a cute sweater dress. Just add a belt and some tights and you've got a whole new look. Thrifting is all about experimenting and creating unexpected combinations. Now, let's break down some outfit ideas for different occasions. For a casual, snowy day look, you can't go wrong with a puffer jacket, jeans, and some comfy boots. Throw on a beanie and a scarf, and you're good to go. For a more polished workwear look, try pairing a chic coat with tailored trousers and ankle boots. A turtleneck or a sweater layered under the coat will keep you warm and stylish. And for a date night outfit, a long coat over a sweater dress with knee-high boots is always a winning combination. Let's talk about color. Winter fashion doesn't have to be all black and gray. Neutrals like beige, cream, and camel are always chic and timeless, and they make a great base for any outfit. But don't be afraid to add some pops of color. A red scarf, a green beanie, or even a plaid print can instantly brighten up your look. And if you're feeling bold, try a monochromatic outfit in a wintry hue like emerald green or burgundy. Experiment and have fun with it. Let's be real, the right shoes can make or break your winter outfit. For those snowy days when practicality is key, you need a good pair of snow boots that are both warm and waterproof. For everyday wear, ankle boots are a versatile option that can be dressed up or down. And for those dressier occasions, over-the-knee boots are a winter staple that never fails to impress. Before we wrap things up, here are a few bonus tips to help you stay warm and stylish all winter long. First up, layering isn't just about what you can see. Don't underestimate the power of thermal or heat tech undergarments. They'll keep you cozy without adding any bulk. Pay attention to fabrics. Wool, cashmere, and fleece are your best friends when it comes to staying warm. A statement outerwear piece can instantly elevate any look. And that's a wrap on my cozy winter outfit ideas. I hope this video gave you some major style inspo, and showed you that you can look amazing without spending a fortune. Remember, the most important thing is to wear what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite, and how you're planning to stay cozy and stylish this winter. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I had so much fun putting this video together for you guys. Winter is my favorite time to get creative with fashion, and I hope you found some inspo to switch up your wardrobe this season. Just a few key pieces and some creative styling can make all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Love you guys.